Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to learn how to do quizzes and earn money in paidera. In my previous video, I have shown how to open account, do survey and earn money. If you missed it, no worries, I will leave the link below so you can watch that video. Now let's see how we do quizzes in paidera and earn money. Okay guys, as usual we will sign in to paidera. So put the password and sign in. After you sign in, the page will come like this. As usual, let's come to the paidera and then let's go down. If you scroll down, you see take quizzes. So click on take quizzes and then you will see the page will come like this. So in this page you need to look very carefully. When you come to take quizzes in this page, and top over here you see quizzes unlimited attempts, your quota is 75. It means I can take 75 quizzes. It means one quota for one quizzes. Okay, I mean if I complete one quizzes, one quota will go. And you can take quizzes until your quota is 0.1. Well, now if you look on this side over here, it says today remaining earning $18.21. That means by playing quizzes I can take $18.21 for today. Now see on this side the referral sign up. I mean if someone use your referral link and sign up, you get 3 quota. And then task completed. If you complete task, you will get 2 quota. If you do external survey, you can get another 2 quota. I mean this side only showing how you can get quota. You can increase your quota so you can take more quizzes. Now let's see, these all are quizzes. There are too many quizzes on different kind of topic, and you can take the quiz you like and you can take any quizzes you want. Okay, now let's see how we do quizzes. So you can choose your quizzes depending on the topic. Now we will see how to do a quizzes. Okay, and in these quizzes also it shows how much you can get. Like this quiz shows you can get 8 cents. This quiz is showing you can get 6 cents. So this quizzes also shows how much money you're going to earn if you complete these quizzes. So let's see which quiz we will take here. Okay, today we will take these quizzes. It says what kind of house you should live in. Okay, let's take start quiz. After you click start quiz, it will give you a page like this, starting what kind of house should you live in, and quiz reward is 3 cents. Yeah, now you see there is another instruction. It says that complete once per hour. I mean you can do this quiz once per hour. I mean every hour you can do once this quiz. Now let's see the first. It says pick a weekend activity, and then you click on this bar, so you expand the option and then you choose the best answer, choose you. So I choose this and then press continue. So it will go to the next page. Again it will go to, you will see a captcha will come, and you need to do the captcha. Also you can refresh the captcha if you did not understand anything from the page, so new captcha will come. Now we will put the captcha. So type the captcha you have over here and continue. So the next question will come, and this is the question now. Again, click on this bar, so it will expand and you can choose your answer, and then again press continue. So by the same way you can keep doing you can keep answering the question. I mean for this quiz, whatever question come, you can just keep answering. So you need to answer all the question until the end. Okay, so you will see a very interesting things in these quizzes. At the end of this question, answering all the question, there will be a interesting things come. I will show you at the end. So again press continue and keep going. I mean we need to keep answering all the answer. And now, as I said, after you completing this quiz, there will be interesting things come. Now I will show you what is it. Okay, so press continue and the question came. Just click on the bar, it expand, choose your answer. Okay, and again press continue. After you continue, okay, again press continue, and then see, now the quiz is finished. Now they show you a paragraph. Actually this is the interesting things. It shows you the paragraph where should you leave. I mean after, depending on your quiz answer, this paragraph come. Now this quiz is finished and we already got the money, and let's see, I will show you. Okay, as I showed you that before, I had 75 quota, okay, and I had $18.21 earning today, and my account balance was 10.88. Now I will press refresh. After I press refresh, let's see what happened. Okay, I press refresh. Now you see my balance become $10.91. It was 88 cents. Now it's become 91 cents. It means I got already my rewards from this quiz, because this quizzes playing give you 3 cents. And you see here, now it was before 75, now the quota becomes 74, and on this side it was 18.21, now it's 18. And now if you want to take another quiz, you see again there is lots of quiz, you can take any one, but this quiz we have just completed, so we cannot take within 1 hour anymore. We have to take this quiz after 1 hour. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thank you very much.